Is Google Ads really effective for increasing sales? The answer is in this video. This isn't just my opinion. I'll walk you through my real client case study and break down actual Google Ads performance data. By the end of this video, you will know for sure whether Google Ads works or not. I hired a company to handle my online marketing. I paid for a website and ad services, but the results were disappointing. Even when I asked them about it, their responses were slow. In the end, I just gave up on the website and ads altogether. This is what my client told me during our first conversation. She was frustrated with ineffective ads and poor customer support. I did two things to fix this problem. The result? She saw a great ROI and has now been working with me for over a year. First, setting up Google Ads the right way. The key to successful Google Ads is choosing the right keywords. In other words, understanding what your target customers are actually searching for. For example, a phrase like auto repair shop near me is a common keyword. I analyze my client services and target location to select the best keywords. As a result, her ads reached only people in her area who actually needed auto repair services. Second, optimizing the landing page. No matter how good your ad is, if your landing page isn't up to par, it won't work. Imagine it. Someone clicks on your ad because it looks promising. But if your site takes forever to load, or worse, if the design is a mess and hard to navigate, they will leave immediately. To fix this, I created a fast, clean, and user-friendly landing page that matched my client's brand. By improving both the design and user experience, we made sure visitors actually stayed and took action. The number of inquiries skyrocketed. Even now, my client keeps getting steady calls and emails. As of last month, we received 26 new inquiries through Google Ads. The cost per conversion is $38.59. And the cost keeps going down as we continue optimizing the ads. Seeing the results, my client has been increasing her ad budget for the past 9 months. Now they are making real profit through online marketing. Google Ads can absolutely boost sales for auto repair shops, but only if they are set up the right way. A lot of people think running ads is easy, but getting real revenue from them, that's a whole different story. So, can business owners really increase sales through online marketing? The answer is 100% yes. Even just learning the basics can help you get great results. On this channel, I'll keep sharing simple and effective online marketing strategies. Try applying what you learned today and see how your ads perform. That's it for today's video. If you found it useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future videos. Thanks for watching.